Viewers still now not subscribe my channel, just click subscribe button and bell button. If you want future update, just do that.
Hi viewers, today many people asking how to fix my YouTube earning account balance was 0. So today I show you. Just open your YouTube AdSense account. Just see now I'm getting also 0. So just one click that it will be resolved. So okay, go to payment option and below payment info is there. Just click it. Afterwards you see the top of the corner that AdSense, that click, then go to YouTube AdSense. That is, now you got that your old balance also. Thank you. This is a simple trick, not a trick. This is some upgradation done for that YouTube. So you can do this. You got your old balance also. Thank you for watching.